Hello, I'm Danne Montague King, creator of deep freeze pain relief formulas for human and animals. You know, many decades ago I created a cryotherapy product called BioFreeze. And since those days I've become increasingly fascinated with the cold methodology that we use for human pain and suffering. Along this journey of research, I discovered that there are other applications for cryotherapy, such as acne, rosacea, age management treatments, and even cellulite in spa therapy.
Nothing works better than cryotherapy before and after when you're doing this type of treatment, because the coolness always brings down inflammation. The metabolic process that the body creates inflammation is halted or slowed down tremendously. And this is going to help create that analgesic effect it has on the nervous system. These knots are really tender, so any way we can reduce the tenderness through therapy, the more beneficial the therapy will be. The science behind cryotherapy really shows is when they test the nerve conduction for pain receptors, it slows down the process. It also slows down the process of spasm. It gets in the gamma neurons and slows down their reaction time, and so spasms reduce, pain reduces, the metabolic process of you creating inflammation reduces. Heat is, like you said, it kind of warms the area up and loosens the muscle up, so it gives that perception that it feels good, but 30 minutes later or 10 minutes later, you're feeling the muscles and the whole condition of the area starts to come back.
We started first with the animal range. That was the first quest. And animal hair, principally horse hair, is a lot different than human skin, a lot thicker, and the structure of the cells is different. So I managed to come up with some very particular and exclusive wetting agents that would carry the components of the deep freeze and the cryotherapy action down deep into the tissue where it could really be effective. And it worked. The first thing was a body shampoo, a cool-down shampoo for horses that race or are involved in very active pursuits. The second, of course, was the gel itself that actually would pinpoint, target pain anywhere on the animal's body and relieve it almost immediately. Sometimes it was just a matter of minutes, and we would notice limping horses that couldn't walk on one foot suddenly cantering around like nothing had happened. It was kind of amazing to see. The owners of Deep Freeze asked me to do the human version. Now, of course, it's the same kind of cryotherapy, the same kind of endorphin pain blockers that are included in the animal formula, but the wetting agents and the other components are for human skin, which is a totally different type of structure. And that includes a cool-down shampoo for athletes or anybody that suffers from, for instance, menopausal women with hot flashes, or people that just in general would like to cool down. And then the pain gel for localized spots. So we're actually coming out with a fungal freeze, which is a foot type of treatment that not only gets rid of most problems associated with feet, but it also calms and cools sweating, hot feet that people suffer from. I welcome you all to the family, and remember, being number one is hard to get to, but staying there takes constant innovation and forward thinking on how things really, really work in the human body, not how we'd like to think they would work. So there you have it. The field of cryotherapy has endless applications. I think, pardon the pun, that we've just touched the tip of the iceberg, actually, as we continue on this scientific research. I hope you enjoy the many uses of deep freeze. I think the future of deep freeze is enormous in all aspects of athletic, spa, medical, and the animal kingdom itself. Thank you.